Thank you. My name is Nkosinathi. I come from Omonde here in Johannesburg. My testimony is concerning healing from chronic coughing and blocked sinuses. I want to thank Jesus Christ because he has proven really that he's alive. And I want to thank him for using Prophet Issaka to get rid of this problem. My problem of chronic coughing is dating back to 2000, the year 2000. I have used various methods in the medical field to identify and get healing from this problem, and it has not worked. The attention I've tried to get from the medical field is getting tested for TB. I've done TB tests several times. They've even gone to the extent of doing what they call a culture test. And all those tests came out negative, but I was still coughing, and my sinuses were still blocked. The tests also included doing x-rays on my chest to find out if there is any problem. But the tests all came out indicating that I'm okay. But I was still coughing. I want to thank God that after trying several times, when I came to Shekinah in December last year, in December 2016, I came on prayer line. November, December 2016, I came on prayer line. I identified the problem I was prayed for, but I really didn't get a testimony. In 2017, in March, I came officially to join Shekinah. I was on prayer line. I registered for prayer line for the same problem, but it still persisted. And this year, in 2 weeks ago, I came for prayer line again, and I was addressed and interviewed, and the interviewer correctly identified that you have been for prayer line on this problem before. And I remember last time that when you came, you were wearing a turban of faith. In August last year, there was a program in the evening. It was the Esther Night program. And the prophet called for those people who has problems that have been persisting. I came out, and he prayed for me using the turban of faith that I've just obtained. And the chronic coughing and the blocked sinuses went away. But I want to admit that the coughing and the sinus